So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find rentals that allow dogs here on Redfin. So once Redfin's opened up, I want you to go to the rent tab right here, select your city. So for this demonstration, I will use New York City and then press on search. Once you're here, I want you to go to where it says filters up here and press on that. Then I want you to scroll down all the way to where it says pets and where it says dogs allowed. Go ahead and make sure that that box is checked. Then go to the bottom right and press on search. So now what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different rentals that are being offered that actually do allow you to have a dog in them. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find rentals that allow dogs here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.